Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. We're seeing some pretty clear skies this morning in Wairika. This view coming courtesy of the Ring and Rock Casino. We're at 64 degrees this morning in Wairika, so it's feeling pretty comfortable out there. A little bit less comfortable to the east of the Cascades. We're a little bit more chilly as we're seeing 40s and 50s, but for the most part, 50s and 60s for west side valleys and middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Here is your pool forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. It's going to be excellent pool weather because we'll have high temperatures that'll actually be a little bit above average for this time of the year. We'll be pretty close to triple digits for some stretches of our west side valleys. In fact, if the Klamath River Valley hit 100 degrees, and that would be places like Klamath River proper, that would be places like Happy Camp, Soames Bar. If those areas hit 100 degrees today, it should not come as that big of a shock. So for today, with above average temperatures, that means that highs are going to be near 90 to the east of the Cascades, middle to upper 90s for west side valleys, and obviously much cooler along the coast in Curry County due to those cool Pacific waters. Winds today will mainly gust out of the west, but we'll have a variation of that from microclimate to microclimate. But for the most part, winds gusting out of the west between 20 to 35 miles per hour, with some of those fastest wind gusts being along the coast. And we'll, for the most part, have some very light haze across the map for today, but it starts to thicken up a little bit later this evening and into the overnight hours, as we'll have some thick smoke from the bedrock fire flowing into northern Klamath County, into Lake County, also for southern Curry County. That smoke in Curry County and Del Norte County, that'll be from the flat fire, but over here it is obviously due to the bedrock fire. But other than that, skies will be pretty clear tonight, and temperatures will be similar to what we have this morning. So we'll be in the middle to upper 40s to the east of the Cascades, 50s and 60s for west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. And our pattern starts to change a little bit as we head into Thursday and Friday. Similar day for Wednesday, but then we start to introduce some very small thunderstorm chances. And on Thursday, those chances looking a little bit better into Friday. It'll mainly just be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday where we're tracking those thunderstorm chances, but we're keeping a close eye on Sunday and Monday too, because there is a non-zero chance we could see more of the same thing. We'll have the worst combination of dry fuels and lightning as we head into Thursday, especially for the Great and Harney Basins. So that's why not only are we going with critical fire weather, but we're going with extreme fire weather. We haven't used this graphic too much this season, so that kind of should underscore the dire situation that we'll be in on Thursday. Also, we're going to get very hot after the fact, as we'll be pretty close to triple digits, if not exceeding that, into Sunday and Monday for the west side valleys. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Some thicker smoke that we'll have for southern Curry County and Del Norte County, with northerly winds blowing around the smoke from the flat fire. For Siskiyou County, we'll just have some very light haze, maybe seeing a stray thunderstorm or two on Friday. For the Basin, it's going to be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday that will track very closely. The same thing with the mountains. And Friday will likely be the day with the most widespread chance of showers and thunderstorms. But we likely keep it dry in the Rogue Valley, but we do turn pretty hot over the weekend.